Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error code 214807349, then let's have a look at the following solutions. So normally this error takes place when a person is trying to log in from an overseas location ra- rather than his home country on his system. So what we can do is we can sign out and then sign in from the Microsoft Office 365 suite. To do that, we need to open any Microsoft Office app like Word or PowerPoint, and we need to open it, and we need to go to account. Now we will have to sign out here. So press sign out and go back to the app again. When you do that, instead of sign out, it will show you sign in. So and press sign in and enter your email or whatever password you have, and it should solve the error code. Now if that doesn't work, then we have to repair, reset, or uninstall and reinstall Microsoft 365 suite. So how we can do that is we right click on the start button, go to settings, look for apps, installed apps, and we have to look for Microsoft 365 Office. Click here on the three buttons, go to advanced options, and you press repair. Later on, you reset it and restart the computer and check again. If this error still persists, then we need to uninstall this and reinstall this. We reinstall this by looking for Microsoft 365 in the Microsoft Store. So we look for Microsoft 365. We download the version that we have subscribed to and we install it. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.